Let's begin by articulating the phonemes or sounds and by reviewing the spelling patterns for each critter card in the ABC group. Refer to the critter card pamphlets for specific instructions for how to use the critter cards to play the auditory and spelling games. Dragon, A. Bear, B. Camel, C, K, blank CK, always at the end. Duck, D, blank ED, always at the end. Elephant, E. Fish, F, PH. Gorilla, G. Hedgehog, H, always at the beginning. Hippo, I. Here's that jaguar again. Jaguar, J, GE, GI, always at the beginning. Blank DGE, always at the end. Kitty, K, C, blank CK, always at the end. Ladybug, L. Mouse, M. Newt, N, KN, always at the beginning. Otter, O, AU, AW. Peacock, P. Quail, QU, blank, always at the beginning. Rooster, RWR, always at the beginning. Seal, SCE, CI, always at the beginning. Tiger, T, blank ED, always at the end. Bunny, U. Vulture, V. Walrus, W, blank, always in the beginning. Fox, X, blank, X, always at the end. Yak, Y, blank, always in the beginning. Zebra, Z, blank S, always at the end.